Hello everyone, today I'll be preparing carrot soup with corn and pork meat.
My friend gave me this.
What's that? Oh, messy first.
It's popping candy.
Guys, advertisement. Adam's family is popping candy.
Yeah, it's popping candy. Do you want some?
See.
Popping candy.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
And then this is the
fun.
fox nut. Fox nut. What is this in Chinese?
What?
Fox nut.
Hello.
Oh, he doesn't know this one. Okay, later I will search. And then this is the carrot, corn, pork meat, chayote, chayot, red dates, and sweet dates and ginger.
You want some?
Can I eat?
Little bit. I think you're supposed to put all in your mouth. Do you want any more? Yummy or not?
Yummy. Nag-prepare na ako guys ng aking sisidlan. Malinis ito. Yan. So, first, kalimutan. Kuha tayo ng chopping board. This is the knife. And then, we need to chop the corn. And then, this carrot is already, take out the skin. So, and then wash. And then the pork meat is already washed. So, guys. Actually guys, yung chayote or chayot, option lang guys. Pwede nyo din balatan, pwede nang hindi. Sa akin hindi ko na ito binabalatan. I didn't take off the skin or take out the skin. And then take out the core. Slice. Parang madulas. Parang nice. And then I already prepared the boiling water for the pork bone. So ba-blanch natin yung ikasan natin yung sweet. And then always take out the seed of the dates. This one. You know guys, ang pagkakaalam ko lang, every time na mag-soup, there is a sweet dates. Parang, I don't know what is the purpose of the sweet dates. Matamis ito eh. Hindi ko tinanong si lola ko or si amo ko kung bakit lagi, but lagi may sweet dates or dates yung soup. I will check what is the purpose of dates for the Chinese soup. This one, guys, is already done. We need to put the water. So, the water is depends for how many members of the family, because there is 5. So I always make the soup 3 litros. Yan. And then the soup, guys, yung pork bone is already napilan na siya. Yan. After blanching na, and then you need to wash and take out the blood na nag-stick siya sa pork. Yan. That's all, guys. It's already done. Everything is inside now. So, I need to put to the machine and then let it boil for 2 hours, but the timer is 30 minutes only. But still cannot open the machine until make it 2 hours. Ayan, is already done. So, 30 minutes, I press the soup. And then, but it's already done. After 30 minutes, already done. But I cannot open that one. We need to wait almost 1 hour and a half to open this one. So, balikan ko kayo guys later. Okay? Bye-bye muna.
2 hours later.
Now it's already done, the soup. So now I need to serve this, and then please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for more updates. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.